For this piping practice, we're going to use the plain tips. You may have one of the larger ones with a small hole in it, or if you have the small tips that use the coupler, that's even better. Tips number 2, 3, and 4 are good. Make sure you stir your icing, add a little water, especially for straight lines in writing. You don't want air pockets and you don't want to have the icing forced out. This assignment we're going to be doing straight lines. If you get a little bubble, don't worry about it. Go back. I always complete the line and then go back and fix the air bubbles. This one here, I put the tip right on the board. When we do lines, you're actually setting the tip up, bringing it up just a little bit and letting the line flow. It actually produces straighter lines. So you can start to see here, start on the cake and then gently just lift the tip up and then put it down, off, and let it flow. This works great with lines. When you need to do zigzags or any other design, it does need to be gently touching the cake, not dragging through the icing. Don't overfill your bag. You really want to have good control. Less is more when it comes to fine detail. One of the students did a double border like this. You can add techniques in as you go. For writing, everyone has their own script. You can use a template. Just put it in a page protector. And for writing, you do bring the tip up just the tiniest bit, but it has to hit the cake or it won't make the letter. So what many times people will do is they'll find a script that they really like and just keep practicing it, especially the beginning and the ending letters. When I write, I always use my one hand to guide and direct myself. I let go of it there just so you could see it a little bit better. So you will be practicing on your board, and I'm just showing you a couple different ways to do it. Again, if you're struggling with it coming out of the tip, soften the icing or stir it up. It's just a basic printing. I took my finger off the bag so you could see it a little bit better. So your actual board for this week, I have more lines on mine than you will, but you're going to make some straight lines. As you can see, even I have a little bubble in it. Try to go from one end to the other end without stopping. If you get an air pocket, just keep going and then go back and fix it. If you're going to edge a cake like this, I would totally just keep going and then put the tip there, just kind of slowly fix it. And now put a little squiggle in between. And then you can put little dots on one of the lines. When you press a dot, you're pressing, and then you see how my tip kind of goes over? I like to bring the tip gently over so the dot does not have a point on it. Sometimes people will go back and just press down the point, but if you can eliminate it in the beginning, it's better. So you will be writing happy birthday on the board 2 different times. So just 2 different scripts, any one you want. They can both be in writing, they can both be printing, it doesn't matter as long as they're different. Any name you want. And then I would also like you to write congratulations on the board as well. Congratulations oftentimes is spelled incorrectly. So again, you're going to do the board. Take a picture and submit it. If you need any tips, you can get one from me in class. As you can see right there, I'll just go back and fix it, and I'll know. I'm just gonna go back and maybe put a decoration on there. You know, a lot of times we just cover up our small mistakes. I also have a hand lettering book that I use just for practice. Gives me ideas on different scripts, how to write it, how to add flourishes. Take your time and keep practicing.